Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Drive's search filters. If you have a very large, messy Google Drive account and you're looking for something and it's a little bit disorganized, you can actually search for it right up here. Now you can just type in what you need to search for, right? And hit enter, and you still might get hundreds of search results that are returned. So how do you filter out what you're actually looking for? Well, on the right, you will see that there are some advanced search queries. So here you can go and look for the type of file that you're looking for. Let's say that we're looking for a Google Sites, and then we're looking for a specific ownership. It can include the word. It can also have an item name, and then you can look for it in a particular location. It can be in the bin, it could be starred or encrypted. You can choose even a date range that it was created or modified. And then we can choose the awaiting your approval or requested by you. So these are approvals and e-signatures. And then you can also share, you can add who it's been shared to, and then you can also add in follow-ups. So once you've done this, you go ahead and click on search, and you'll have all the files that match that specific search with all of your filters added.